Spring is here, and instead of sunshines and rainbows, I am decorating my bullet journal dark and moody. Why am I even surprised? I made Dark Academia aesthetic inspired printable journaling kit, which I am using for my April bullet journal. It's dark, it's moody, and it's very brown and green, and there is a skull and few other illustrations. I took inspiration for the illustrations from Pinterest and Unsplash, and I did redraw them myself, trying to let go of my quite tight and inflexible style to make these illustrations looser, and I did have lots of fun while trying my best not to overblend the colors. There are also few illustrations from my last Dark Academia inspired bullet journal. I slightly modified them, and guess what? It was also an April theme. I'm seeing a pattern here. And I still love it, so there will be a link in the description if you'd like to check it out. April will have the same page layout as I had for the past few months because it is working for now, so why change it? But I got stuck on the daily pages. During March, I realized I like to have certain day of the week in a certain position on the page, so I would not get confused from week to week. Mondays being on the top left, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday going straight to the other page and then down, leaving one box space for the weekly tasks at the end. Seems to be working best for me. But April starts on Saturday, which left me with an awkward 1.5 page of blank space. After some pondering, I've decided to bring back the workout spread. Lately I've been writing down my workouts in the dailies, but I honestly don't care where they are, as long as they are noted down, which now leaves me with more space in my dailies. And the remaining blank half of the page got assigned to be my monthly to-do list. And I really like how it all just clicked together. And guys, I wish videos without voiceovers would be more popular because I have to say, I think I made such a great job at editing this video, and it's all nice and goes with the music, and it's quite a shame no one would appreciate it, except me of course. But it's okay, I don't mind, I know it's nice and you'll have to take my word for it. Maybe if you watched with headphones you'd hear it better, I don't know. You don't need to, I am just so happy with it, I had to share my joy with you. A last spread is for my mood and habit trackers, and because my writing is horrible and I don't like it at all, I am using lots of letter stamps, which you've probably noticed, and it led to this. And now I have a spread of wood and trackers, and I'm just not going to fix it because it's hilarious. I for some reason find it incredibly funny. Please don't let me be the only one having a chuckle every time I look at the page. There are also many text or note highlighting parts in this journaling kit this time because I missed those in my previous kits, so they are not used here in the setup, but will be used during the month. And I also made small notes with book doodle to highlight every occasion of me finishing a book. I fell in love with reading again, and I think this will be a cute, nice addition to my bullet journal. And that is it, guys. This is my April bullet journal using my Dark Academia inspired printable journaling kit, which will be linked in the description if you'd like to add dark and vintagey vibe to your bullet journal too. Thank you so much for being here. Have an awesome day. See you next time. Bye.